Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can remove backgrounds from any photo for free, whether it's a listing photo like this one we're going to use today, or if it's a photo that you're going to use for actual laser engraving using your laser engraver. So with that said, this is the sticker stand that I made last year. It's just my listing photo. We're going to use this on all 3 programs. First up, let's open up Microsoft Paint from Windows 11. If you own a Windows 11 computer, you'll have this available, and it's super easy to use for removing backgrounds. It works great for some backgrounds, but some backgrounds, kind of like this one, that's kind of blended together, it does struggle at, and I'm going to show you that just so you have a real world example. So we're going to click Remove Background. It's this button right up here in the left, and it automatically does it. It does a decent job, but it's kind of jagged in some edges, so you may have to use your eraser tool and kind of manually go in there and clean it up. It's kind of choppy. So I don't really recommend this one, but if you have no other options available, then you can use this as an option, and it's built in on any Windows 11 computer, so you have that option for you automatically. With that said, we're going to talk about probably the most recommended by other laser community groups on Facebook that you see. I always see people recommend this one, but this is my second pick out of the 3 total. And I'm going to show you why after this, but let's just open a photo here and show you an example. This does great. The results look awesome. However, when you go to download, the only way you'll get a free option is at this lower resolution here. If you need the max resolution, you have to click unlock, which will then make you pay as you go, which is $3 for 3 credits, or you can pay monthly as well. I don't recommend paying for this. You do have a better option, and I'm going to show you that next. But if you do have a free option that you want, you can totally use this. I see people recommend this all the time. But my last free option, which I recommend the most, is Adobe Express. Just look up on Google, free background remover from Adobe Express. It'll bring you straight to this website. Drag and drop your photo right on it. It'll take a little bit to process. It does a pretty good job at trying to auto detect everything. And there you go. Look at that. It's fantastic. It's removed everything, as well as my next paid option that I'm going to show you. It does maintain the full resolution when you download. I can't recommend this enough. This is an awesome option if you're looking for free. Now, paid, you can go into actual Photoshop. So Photoshop is a paid program that can edit photos, and the background remover is extremely good on this, and you have a lot of customization that you can do manually in this. I can't recommend Photoshop enough. It works awesome. So when you upload your photo like this, just click the little lock symbol, click Remove Background, and it will automatically, magically be awesome almost every single time. And if it's not, you can manually clean it up way easier than you could with like Microsoft Paint. I can't recommend this enough. Or if you can't do this and you want completely free, I totally get it, but just use Adobe Express. Both of these options are awesome. With that said, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll be happy to try and answer them, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.